Wagwan, blessed morning everyone. Give God thanks and praise. We have life, health and strength and we live to see another day. And this morning I'll be doing Jamaican brown stew chicken. If you don't know, you gotta fry it first and then you cook it down. So me have my meat prepared already and seasoned up and thing. Yeah, and over here me have me seasoning cut up to put on my meat. Yes, so me have my beetroot, onion, Irish, scallion, carrot, ginger, hot pepper, scallion, garlic, and sweet pepper. Alright, you don't know? Yeah. Over here me have my pot set on already with my oil in it to fry meat. You don't know. So it thing set up. Yeah man, so show know what I go on. Yeah man. So yes, see my pot here with my oil I go on hot. Yeah, some olive oil me use and things. You don't know. We still have got the healthy way now. You have to try take care of the one body we have. Yes, so we have to try the best with our body. Alright, yeah man. So as my oil hot, I'm gonna put in my chicken, make it go and fry and show you what I go on. Alright. See it now, my oil hot and thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the chicken. Yeah man, make it go and fry. Right, see it now. So what I go on now? I'm gonna put my chicken in my pot now. Cause I like cook my chicken in a deep pot, you know, where it can get it cooked properly. Cause some him stay they go and boil up and then now me add in the seasoning and show you what I go on. Alright. See here now I go and bubble. I go put in the seasoning. Right. Yes, I fully active. Yeah man. Then now me I go add in the tip more water. Yeah, see there? Yeah man, I make him go and boil up back. Yeah man, and then me add in little ketchup and little barbecue sauce. Yeah man, so watch what I go on. Alright. Yeah man. Yeah look. Add in little ketchup now. Yeah. Add in little barbecue sauce. Yeah man, and don't know, me not go put no salt in this because the ketchup have been salt, the barbecue season have been salt, And the seasoning I use have been salt, so that amount is alright. It's not salt or nothing. Yeah, man. You have to watch your health same way, you know. Never does. Give him a little stir, yeah, man. And make him go and simmer, alright. Fully active. Yes, people. Yeah, man, this is it, you know. Fully active. We cook and everything. Because when you see your carrot cook, see it there? Yeah, man. When you see your carrot cook, your Irish cook, yeah, man, fully active. You see it pretty? The beetroot give it that pretty color also. Yeah, man, and people, when you use a sweet pepper, man, don't throw the sweet pepper seedling. Use it, the sweet pepper seedling, give it a different taste, man. Don't know anything, but man, you can have this with the rice and peas, the white rice, your boiled food, anything, man. So just stay tuned, watch what I go on, alright? Alright, see it here, finish cook, fully active. Yeah, man. I'm gonna serve it with some rice and peas. You don't know it's Jamaican brown stew chicken. So stay tuned and watch what I go on, alright?